Hello everyone, I am Akriti Pandey and currently I am pursuing my B.Ed from the Maharaja Sayaji Rao University of Baroda. In Student Mobility program under EDUREFORM project, I got an opportunity to visit Chitkara University, Punjab. There I got many opportunities and I explored many things that I want to share through this video. On the first day, we explored Chitkara University with Colonel Rakesh sir. We saw many different things during our expedition. We did documentation and worked as an organizer for the upcoming international conference. On the first day of the conference, we met the Honorable Madhu and Niyati ma'am. On the second day of the conference, we got an opportunity to meet Dr. Swaroop Sampant. She has done commendable work in the field of education. We were also given a chance to visit Chitkara International School in Panchkula to see the education in schools at different levels. At the end of our mobility program, a validation ceremony was held and Dr. Sangeeta Pant ma'am gave us the certificates. I would like to thank everyone for giving me this opportunity as the whole journey was enriching and wonderful and made a remarkable change in my professional and personal life.